Good morning to all. Welcome to online teaching classes which are given the proceedings by the CC of Telangana State, Hyderabad. This is Pinninti Ram Reddy, Department of English, Government Degree College, Mahabubabad. These classes we are going to conduct for the academic year 2019 and 20 in this pandemic crisis. Today our topic is English articles. You know how the articles are playing vital role in English usage and communication. The English also getting importance day by day in this global world. In other words, we can say without English language, no one may be survive in the future. Here, what is article? Our topic is articles. So today we are going to discuss what is article. Article can be taken as one of the determiners or a subclass of the determiners which determines noun. They are also known as demonstrative adjectives. It means the articles are treated as the determiners. These articles can be known as demonstrative adjectives. It is often taken to be a separate part of speech also. Here there are two articles in English, the definite article and the indefinite article. The definite article is the, example, the book, the pen, the person, the place, and the indefinite article is a and an, a book and an eye. Sometimes nouns require no article at all. This is called the zero article. It means sometimes we need not to put any article before that nouns. The articles are a subclass of the determiners. That type of articles are called subclass of the determiners. Please note that it is the pronunciation, not the spelling of the word that determines the choice of indefinite article. Here, one thing we have to remember, the English language we are speaking on the base of the pronunciation, phonetics, not on the base of the alphabets. Here, the main drawback in our India is we are using the English language on the base of the spelling. Here, the people are getting a lot of troubles in pronunciation. Now, let us going to discuss the kinds of articles. In English language, there are total three articles. They are a, an, and the. These a, an, and the, these three articles are divided into two types. They are, one is the definite article, another one is indefinite article. The definite article is the. It is used to refer any particular person, place, or thing. And indefinite article a and an does not refer any particular noun. Now let us going to discuss indefinite articles. A and an are the two indefinite articles. A or an means one or anyone. When the countable noun is one or a singular in number, it takes a or an as an article depending on its first letter or sound. Already I said the article should be placed before the noun on the base of the sound. Indefinite articles a or an are used with several countable nouns in different conditions. So a and an also we can use before the countable nouns in different conditions. Actually, let us have a discussion on what is noun. Noun is a name given to any person, place, or thing, animal, thought, idea, or emotion. Nouns are divided into certain types. What are they? One is common noun, second one is proper noun, third one is collective noun, fourth one is concrete noun, fifth one is abstract noun, sixth one is countable noun, seventh one is uncountable noun, eighth one is material noun. Now, articles and nouns. Here, mostly articles are used only with countable nouns which can be counted in number. Rest nouns take other determinants. It means all articles should be used before only the countable nouns, not before uncountable nouns. Example, a book. Book is a countable noun. So we use a book. When we go to the water, but water is uncountable. We cannot count it. So before that article we should not use. So and a boy. Boy is a countable noun. Before the boy we use a article. But a sugar, sugar is a uncountable noun. Before that we should not use any article. Next, a computer. Computer is a countable noun. Before computer we can use a article. But an air is uncountable. Before the uncountable we should not use an. Teacher is countable. Before the teacher we use a article. But a teaching is uncountable. We can teach, but not it is a person. It is just a profession. It is uncountable. Now, selection of articles a and an when. Indefinite articles a or an are not used arbitrarily. There are definite rules to use these indefinite articles, and these rules are strictly followed while speaking or writing English. Here, to use a and an, we have separate rules when we should use a, when we should use an. It is important to note that if articles are not used appropriately, the meaning may change or be misunderstood. It means if you do not use the articles in proper way, the total meaning of the sentence will be changed. Otherwise, it will be misunderstood by the people. Therefore, it is must to understand and follow these rules to learn correct English. So, to avoid that misunderstanding and the changing of the meanings, we should learn articles how to use properly. The usage of the articles, rule 1, a article, it is used before a word. Before a word means a countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. Example, a boy. In a boy, b is a consonant letter and it is producing ba sound, so it is consonant sound. Before that we can use a article. Next, a man. M is consonant letter, it is producing ma sound, so a man can be used. Next, Goal, a goal. G also a consonant letter. It is giving a sound. So we should use a girl. Next, table. Table is also a consonant letter. It is producing consonant sound. So we should use consonant a article before the consonant word. And young man. In young man, Y is consonant letter as well as it is producing consonant sound. So a young man. This is rule 1. Rule 2. An is used with a word beginning with a vowel sound. See, in rule 1, we learn a used before a noun which starts with a consonant sound. Here, and in rule 2, we are going to know how to use an article. For example, an apple. Apple started with A, it is vowel sound. So before the vowel, we should use an article. Next, elephant. Elephant also a vowel sound letter and it is producing vowel sound. So we use an article like an elephant. Next, egg. Egg also started with E letter. It is also a vowel letter and it is producing vowel sound. Before that we use an article. And an ink pot. In ink pot, I is a vowel letter. It is producing vowel sound. Before that we use an article. Next, an idiot. Idiot, I is vowel letter, it is producing E sound, so we should use an idiot. An orange. In orange word, O started with vowel letter and it is producing vowel sound, so before that we use an article. An arpan. This arpan word started with O letter. It is giving A sound. So before that we use an article. An umbrella. Umbrella also started with U letter. U is producing here A sound. So we use A is vowel. We use an article before umbrella. Rule 3. An is used before a word beginning with a consonant letter but a vowel sound. See, sometimes the word started with consonant letter, they produce vowel sound. Then we use an article. Example, honest man. Honest started with H letter. H is consonant, but it is producing an sorry a sound. So before that we use an article. Next, hour. Hour also started with H letter. It is producing a sound. Before that we use an article. Next, honorable guest. Honorable also started with H. It is producing a sound. So honorable guest. Hair. Hair also started with H letter. It is producing a. So before that we use an article. Rule 4. A is used before a word beginning with a vowel letter but a consonant sound. See, like how the consonants are produced the vowel sounds. Here, sometimes the vowels also are producing vowel sound. Sorry, the consonants also vowels also producing consonant sound. Example, a university. A university started with a U letter. It is a consonant word, sorry, vowel letter, but consonant sound. A European. European also started with E letter. It is producing U consonant sound. Before that we use A article. A union. Union also started with vowel letter producing consonant letter sound. Before that we use A sound. Next rule 5. Abbreviations which begin with consonant letter but their pronunciation begins with vowel take an article which includes. Most of the abbreviations starts with consonant letters but they produce vowel sound. Example HOD, HOD. If we abbreviate complete word head of the department, then we need not to put an. Here HOD, A. It is letter is consonant, sound is vowel. So we should write an HOD. An MA, Master of Arts. When we write as abbreviation MA, A is vowel, though the letter is M, but the sound is A. So we should use an MA, like an ST, an MLA, an MSc, an MBBS, an MCOM, an MPhil, an MLC, an MPTC. Next, Rule 6. A word beginning with vowel letter but consonant sound, that is va, takes a as an article. Example C. A 1 rupee note. One started with wo, but it is producing va sound. So before that we write a article. A one-eyed man. One-eyed va started with wo, but producing va sound, consonant sound. Before that we use a article. And a $1 note. $1 also started with wo, but here producing va sound. We should write a before $1. One. Next, a one-way ticket. Here, one-way ticket also one started with wo. It is producing va sound. Before that we use a article. A one-legged man. Here, a one-legged man. One also started with wo, but it is giving va sound. Before that we use a article. Next, rule 7. If the noun is modified by an adjective, the choice between a and an depends on the initial sound of the adjective that immediately follows the article. Example, a broken egg, an unusual problem, a European country. In English, the indefinite articles a or an are used to indicate membership in a group. So when we say he is a part of that group, society or group, any group, we can use a article or an article. Here, I am a teacher. I am a teacher means teacher is a teacher. It is a group of people who are working as teacher. So I am a member of large group known as teachers. So he can say, or I can say, I am a teacher. I am a lecturer. So Brain is an Irishman. It is also same. Brain is a member of the people known as Irish. Next, rule 9. Indefinite articles a and an are used in the sense of one many. Here, one many means it is also like group of people. I met a friend. Which friend you met? He has a number of friends. I have number of friends. Whom my friend met. I met one of my friends. So we should say, I met a friend. I read a novel. What novel I read? There are a lot of novels which I read. So if I say I read a novel, In one of them I have read. Rule 10. A or an is used to show the whole clause in the sense of all or any. Example, a student should be obedient. Which student? Not only a single student, it should be. It is the it indicates all the students, whole class should be obedient. A doctor must love his patient. A doctor means which doctor? Any doctor whom we go to consult the doctor, that from MB general medicine to any special doctors, all should love his patients, then only he can give good treatment for them, otherwise he cannot. A is used with words like little and few. Example, a little milk. Actually milk is uncountable noun. When we add the little before the countable noun, uncountable noun, then it becomes countable. So a little, like we should use like students, a few students, few of them. Rule 12. A or an is used in the sense of every person, every month, every day, like we can indicate. Example, 2000 rupees a month. It means he is earning 2000 rupees a month, or his father is giving him as packet money as 2000 rupees per month. Like 10 rupees a dozen. It is indicating the price of a dozen bananas, or dozen apples, or any dozen pens or anything. 5 rupees a kilo. This is also a price of kilo tomatoes, or kilo lady's finger, or anything. 5 times a year. It is, he is getting that 5 times in a year, or every year. 80 kilometers an hour. He can drive 80 kilometers speed for an hour. A or an is used in an exclamatory sentence before an adjective. Example, what a beautiful flower. Beautiful is exclamatory. A is an article. That before the exclamatory we use a article. What a pretty girl. Pretty is exclamatory. A article should be used before the pretty. What a shameful act. The shameful is exclamatory. Before that we use a article. What a hard day. Hard is exclamatory. Before that we use a article. What an idea, Sergi. Here an idea is exclamatory. We use an before the idea. Indefinite article a is commonly used with certain words. Those are as below. Example, a couple, a dozen, half a dozen, a quarter, a thousand, a million, a lot of, a great deal of, a great number of. Rule 15. Indefinite a or an article is used to convert proper noun into a common noun. Example, he is a Gandhi. He is a Gandhi means the Gandhi didn't come here. He is like a great political leader like Gandhi. She is a Mother Teresa. She is a great social worker, so she is comparing with a Mother Teresa. He is an Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is a famous actor, everybody knows. This Prabhas also looks like an Amitabh Bachchan. These are about articles, in indefinite articles, and someday let us have discussion on different article. Thank you very much.